Allchips Limited is an electronic components supply chain platform with more than 100 million parts and 2,500 international brands with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 international standards certifications. Our platform combines big data with intelligent software, offering services including cost calculation, risk management, substitute materials suggestion, and whole BOM purchasing. Allchips would like to be the all-in-one second procurement for Department of Hardware manufacturers, PCBA companies, EMS factories, and SMT companies, etc., helping them to improve purchase efficiency and save the cost of labor resource, time, and materials. In order to control the component's quality, we only cooperate with the original manufacturers and authorized agents. We have cooperation with more than 1,000 suppliers like NXP, Panasonic, TI, Microchip, ST, Maxim, etc. We offer BOM in one box service, one-stop BOM purchasing and stocking service. When you provide your BOM list, we will reply within 6 hours with professional suggestions for EOL parts and replacements with the best lead time. We have 30 professional purchasers with 5 years working experience for your BOM. All electronic components in your BOM list will be BOM in one box and will be delivered soon. What are the advantages of working with us? 1. No fake components. 2. Better price. 3. Direct support from original factories. 4. On-time delivery. 5. One-stop solution of electronic components. Our Advantage application areas covers automobiles. We have served the full BOM components for many automobile projects, like the ECU, BCM, FCM, ABS, immobilizer, FAM, etc. Robots. We have many customers working on robots projects. We have cooperated with Songshan Lake Xbot Park to serve robots projects. Smart Home. Smart Home business is one of our main areas. We also provide services for Huawei Smart Home projects.